Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have what matters: curiosity and a machine. First, install Node. JS and verify Node V, then pick VS Code and enable linting. Once done, create a project folder, open it in the editor, and run npm init to create package. JSON. Make sure to add a git ignore and initialize git so you track changes. Open a new file index. JS and write a simple console log hello world to confirm runtime and editor integration. Now you move into the core. Learn variables, functions, scope, and how async works with promises and async await. Start a dev server, npx HTTP server or a framework CLI, and step through code with debugger breakpoints. Once you understand modules, pick ES modules or common JS and set package. JSON type accordingly so imports work. Make sure to write tests for small functions and run them with a simple test runner. Iterate on examples until behavior is clear and repeatable. To finish, bundle or prepare code for production. Either configure Webpack/rollup or rely on ES modules for modern browsers. Then create npm scripts for build and start. Deploy to a static host for frontend or push a node process to a server. Make sure environment variables and port are set. Once deployed, test end-to-end. If something goes wrong, check console errors first, confirm node and package versions, and verify module type mismatches. Fixing that resolves most runtime import/export problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.